Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use One Key Cash. So in this video I'm going to show it. So here we are on the main page. Go to expedia.com/welcome one and key and like this between them, and that's it. Then you go here to sign in. It's free. So earn 1 cash for every dollar you spend on hotels, vacation rentals, flights, car rentals and more. So the more you spend on Expedia, the more points you will get. So you get a lot of benefits, save on thousands of hotel, 10%, also even up to 30%, get more perks. So there are more, but we will come back to that right in a second. Let's first sign in because it's free, it said. So you can join through your email. So you can join through your email, your Facebook or Apple. And you can also sign in with Google. For now I'm going to sign in with Google or just an email. So here we go. So now I'm signed in actually, and then you will come back right to this page. Let's go over the rewards you can get. So here it is. Here are the tiers you can get. So silver, a 2-night solo road trip can elevate you to silver. So if you book a 2-night plus a 3-day car rental, you get in total 5 trips and you get silver. You book 5 nights, you get gold, and 10 days and plus 20 activities and 30 trips, and so you have 30 trips in total, you get platinum. So that's actually a lot if you don't travel a lot. But these are the benefits you get per tier. So this is blue tier, silver, gold and platinum. You start in blue, so you get a 10% discount on some things, and also here on bookings you get rewards. But the better you get, the more rewards and savings you get. So for example, from gold on you get 20%, and you can get stay at VIP access properties. So there are a lot of things you can actually get with it, and you can earn up to 6% in 1 key cash for every dollar spent. So that's actually about it. If you want to know more, please let me know in the description. I'll try to help you. So thank you for watching.